Now the next point is redemption of debentures. First of all, what is the meaning of redemption? Redemption means repayment of debentures. Repayment of debentures. Debentures are redeemed at par or at premium. Debentures can't be redeemed at discount. Suppose debentures are redeemed at par. What will be the journal entries? When debentures are to be redeemed at par, the journal entry will be debentures account debit. You know, debenture is a liability. When we repay the amount of liability, liability decreases. That's why liability account is debited. So, debenture account debit to debenture holder. On due date, debenture holder become the creditor of the company. That's why debenture holder account is credited. So debenture to debenture holder. Narration: amount due to debenture holders when we pay the amount to the debenture holder. The journal entry will be debenture holder account debit to bank. Narration: amount paid to debenture holders. Suppose we have to redeem 5,000 debentures of rupees 100 each at par. The journal entry will be debentures account debit 5,000 into 100, 5 lakh to debenture holders. Debenture account debit to debenture holders. Debenture holder to bank at the time of payment to debenture holder. So this is the accounting procedure at the time of redemption of debentures. Now second case, if debentures are to be redeemed, at premium. Suppose the face value of a debenture is 100, but we are paying more than the face value. At the time of redemption, company is going to pay 110. This is called premium on redemption of debenture. The journal entry will be at the time of redemption, debentures account debit. Premium is a loss for the company. Premium on redemption. It is a loss for the company. That's why it will be debited to debenture holder. Total amount payable to debenture holder. Right here the narration: amount due to debenture holder. Now for payment, debenture holder account debit to bank account. Suppose we have to redeem 5,000 debentures of rupees 100 each for 110. So 5,000 debentures of rupees 100 each. The face value of the debenture is 5 lakh. Premium is rupees 10 per debenture. So 5,000 into 10, 50,000 is the amount of premium. So total amount we have to pay to the debenture holder, that is 5,50,000. Second entry will be passed by 5,50,000. Debenture holder to bank. Narration: amount paid to debenture holders. This is the accounting procedure at the time of redemption of debentures. Now let us understand issue of debentures as per the terms of redemption. What will be the journal entries at the time of issue of debentures if the terms of redemption are also given in the question? So let us understand. Issue of debentures as per terms of redemption. When the terms of redemptions are given in the question, the entries for the time for the issue of debentures will be changed. First case, if debentures are issued at par, there are 6 cases actually. When the debentures are issued at par and debentures are to be redeemed at par. Second case, if debentures are issued at premium but debentures are redeemed at par. Third case, if debentures are issued at discount but the debentures are to be redeemed at par. These 3 cases are very simple. Fourth case, if debentures are issued at par but debentures are to be redeemed at premium. Now we have to redeem the debentures at premium. Fifth case, if debentures are issued at discount but debentures are to be redeemed at premium. Sixth case, if debentures are issued at premium and debentures are to be redeemed at premium. So there are 6 cases when the terms of redemption are also given. So what will be the journal entries? First of all, first case. First case, issue time, redemption time. First case, debenture issued at par and redemption at par. The journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. Suppose we have issued only one debenture of ₹100. This entry will be passed by ₹100 then. Second entry, this application money will be transferred to debentures account, ₹100. Now at the time of redemption, because we have to redeem the debentures at par, simple entry will be passed. Debenture account debit to debenture holder, amount due to debenture holder ₹100. Debenture holder to bank, debenture holder to bank 100. So in first case, this entry will be passed. In second case, issued at discount. Suppose debenture is issued at 10% discount, but redemption will be at par. 100 will be paid. So the first journal entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment for ₹90 now, because company is receiving only ₹90. Next entry, debenture application allotment 90, discount account will be debited here. Discount on debentures 10, total 100. This will be the journal entry at the time of issue of debentures. Now at the time of redemption of debentures, this entry will be passed at the time of issue, and now at the time of redemption, debenture account debit to debenture holder, same entry as in the previous case, debenture holder to bank. Now third case, issued at premium. When the debenture are issued at premium, debenture of ₹100 is issued for 110. So first entry will be passed, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment for ₹110. Now company is receiving ₹110 including premium. Second entry, application and allotment debit 110, 2% debenture, face value will be written here, to security premium, reserve account. Security premium is a capital profit for the company, that's why it will be credited. Now at the time of redemption, same entry will be passed, debenture to debenture holder, amount due to debenture holder, and at the time of payment, debenture holder to bank. Now fourth case, this is important, issued at par, means debentures of ₹100 is issued at 100, but redemption at premium. Redemption of debenture at premium. That means we have to pay more than face value. What will be the journal entry now? For receiving application money, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. Issued at par. Bank debit to debenture application and allotment. Now second entry, debenture application and allotment account debit to percentage debenture 100. Debenture application and allotment debit to percentage debenture 100, but it is incomplete still. Now look at this. Debentures are to be redeemed at premium. We have to pay them 5 rupees extra. This is a loss for the company. And you know the principle of accountancy, convention principles, prudence principle. According to that principle, if there is any loss that is going to be happen in future, this will be recorded at the time of issue of debentures. This premium we have to pay to the debenture holder at the time of redemption. This is a loss for the company, but according to the accountancy principle, future losses must be recorded when come into the knowledge. So this 5 rupees will be recorded in this entry. Loss on issue of debenture debit. This is a loss to premium or redemption of debentures. To premium or redemption of debentures. So right here, first of all, to premium or redemption of debenture 5 rupees, and this is the loss for the company, that's why it will be debited here. Now at the time of redemption of debentures, debenture account debit 100, premium on redemption of debentures debit 5 to debenture holder 105. For the payment, debenture holder to bank 105. So these will be the journal entries when the debenture are issued at par but redemption at premium. Now fifth case, when the debenture are issued at premium and redemption at premium. Fifth case, suppose debenture are issued at premium and redeemable at premium. So the journal entry at the time of issue of debenture, bank account debit to debenture application allotment 110. Second entry, debenture application allotment debit 110, 2 percentage debenture 100, and 2 security premium. This premium is a profit for the company, that's why it is credited. Now look at this. We have to redeem the debentures at premium. This premium is a loss for the company and will be recorded here also. To premium on redemption of debenture. Once it is decided to repay the debentures on premium, this 5 rupees become the liability for the company. And if the liability is rising, that is a loss for the company also. Loss on issue of debentures, rupees 5. So this will be the journal entry at the time of issue of debentures. At the time of redemption, the entry will be same. Now last case, issue at discount, debentures issued at discount, means debentures of 100 issued for 90 but redeemable at premium. What will be the journal entry? Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment rupees 90. Debenture application and allotment debit 90. Discount is a loss for the company. Discount will be debited here. 2% debenture 100. First of all, pass simple entry. After passing this simple entry, now include this loss of rupees 5 here in the entry of issue. This 5 rupees is a loss for the company. This will be recorded here also. To premium on redemption of debenture. Once it is decided to repay the debentures at premium, that premiums become the liability for the company. And if the liability is rising, this is a loss for the company also. Loss on issue of debentures. 5 rupees. So this is the entry at the time of issue of debenture at discount but redemption at premium. So learn these entries. Thank you.